Hi, good morning everyone. Today we are on the Romford. We'll start this nice roof clean, pressure washing. At the front we'll do with a cherry picker. At the back my colleague will be do with a scaffold tower. Enjoy our video on YouTube channel. Today we use another van, which is a new van with another new pressure washing with a boiler, hot water as well. If I need it, I will use the hot water as well.
Big man Dumi, you're taking 10-minute break. How is the job going so far today, my friend?
My friend, the job is going very well. It's nearly half done, and yeah, we just take 10 minutes break. Just waiting a little bit. The weather is
Bad.
it's
Just
no
so you're
good,
just
yeah.
resighting the cherry picker so you can do the other half.
Yeah, I just asked the guy to move the cherry picker back for us to can do the left side, which is a little bit difficulty there, but should be fine.
Good.
Should
And
be
the
by 4 o'clock to finish all.
transformation's looking good though. The
Very, very good.
Completely
The
different.
customer is looking already, and
Was he happy?
very, very, very happy already.
Very happy. Okay.
You know how it's all the time the LBC, good,
Good job.
good job, and good transformation all the time and performance. You know what I mean?
Great performance. And the guys at the back, Joe
Yeah,
and
the
Mitch,
guy Joe and
on
Mitch
the tower.
is going well. It's going good. Yeah.
Okay.
It's
All
going
right.
very
Maybe
good.
we'll get some footage out the back with them now.
Yeah.
I'll get on the tower of them.
Yeah, you can go to have a look.
Up close and personal. But yeah, a bit of rain today, so I feel for you, brother. But good luck up there. Yeah.
Thank you, my friend. Stay
Ciao,
here.
amigo.
Ciao. Ciao, Bella.
Ciao, Manu,
Ciao, Bella.
my Romanian friend. God bless.
God bless you.
Dimitri, sir, the bull. How are
Hi.
you? How are you feeling? Another great day here. Another good transformation. Happy?
I'm very happy. I'm feeling tired, but I just talked with the customer and I show our job. It's very happy. This
Happy
is most
customer, yeah?
important on the end. Yeah,
Oh,
the
that's
customer to be happy, and LBC makes all the customer happy.
good. Oh, that's good, man. Well, it's good to get good feedback. Just a quick note. What about me? You know, cameraman and.
You like
Sweep-
cameraman. You are very
What about my
lazy
sweeping?
man.
What do you think of my sweeping today?
You are good on sweeping, but that's it.
Yeah, it's
Shovel
about
and
shovel and sweeping. Not bad. Not bad.
Not bad.
I'll try, man. I'll try my best. All right, Dumi, thanks for your work today, brother. Another good roof clean, and see you in the
Thank
next
you.
job.
Yeah. See you
Take
soon.
care.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.